Thank you so much, sir. Welcome to Guidance Education, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now like introduction part is like we will continue like in between of the meets and all those stuff, but let's start with the program. Okay, so are you excited? Give us a thumbs up on the screen.
Yes, ma'am, we all are excited for it.
Okay, so you can, if you want, you can open your mic, close your mic because the meeting will starting soon. Okay, so let's start with the program. Okay, so success doesn't consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. Hello, myself Satakshi Bish, and I'm one of the HR trainer as well as personality development researcher at Career Dreams Education. Well, what is this Career Dreams Education? Career Dreams Education is an education-oriented skill development enterprise. We are solemnly committed to providing clients with customized education, then education assistance, and education solution. That means you will get good education of your own choice, then assistant and the solution at your doorsteps. To add glimpse to the line, I just want to say that we are recently been certified with AICTE. Yes, you heard it right, AICTE, as well as ISO certified under 901/2015. It gives me an immense pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everyone. I heartily welcome our chief guest and our interns, coordinators, and our fellow interns. And yes, of course, to you people who are a guest to us. People always come guest in guidance education and leave us as a family because we believe in Atiti Devo Bhava. We are at the junction where one chapter closes and a new one begins. Stop, look around yourself. What you can see India. India is one of the most growing company in the world, and it provides you with a job, but no opportunities. But Career Education not only provide you jobs, but also an opportunity to showcase your talent and showcase your inner self, the confidence to grab new things. We all are here for the workshop where learning is fun. And according to finance definition, finance is equal to money minus savings. Hold on, what is money? Well, the real definition of money for me is hunger of something. Can I expect the same answers from you? Okay, let's not perplex my mind. Okay, so guys, for you, what is money is? To have 10 rupees in your pocket, or just carrying a lot of money till the age of 40 and then relaxing your mind, chilling the moods and enjoying with the family? Can anyone answer this question? What is money for you? Anyone?
Second
Answers
option,
will be
ma'am.
appreciated and encouraged by me for sure. Definitely. What is money for you?
Second
Money.
option is much better, ma'am.
Yeah, pardon, sir. I didn't hear that. I'm so sorry for that mistake.
Money is everything which is the need of today's world.
Okay. And someone has wrote financial freedom. Of course, independency, freedom to take decisions, freedom to have those things which we have planned. You know, most of us who have some desires in the mind, boys have the desire to buy a car, buy a bike, buy a something, electronic things or tablets and all those stuff, but they cannot buy because they don't have money in their pockets. But don't worry. We Career Dreams Education always provide these opportunities where you can grab what you want. So that can be explained by our chief guest, Mr. Vinayak sir, but not now. Stay tuned for that, guys, because everything, if I tell now, then patience level of your will loss that I don't want. So moving on, a big round of applause to the one without whom guidance education family is incomplete. They are the stars and the star boosters of our guidance education family. Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, Chief Executive Head. Mr. Vinayak Sasana sir, Chief and Marketing Head. And very beautiful, Miss Renu Bora ma'am, Chief Administrative Head. Well, it is a finance workshop, right? And our department, like in guidance education, finance department is being highlighted by the pillars, Mr. Kaushik S. sir, and today's speaker and role model. What to tell about her? Oh, she's so beautiful and she's an enthusiastic lady, Mrs. Shika ma'am. To tell something, add appreciation to it, I just want to say she did complete his finance, like the MBA degree from finance background. Moreover, she has various experiences. Like experiences, from the word experiences, you might have understood what she's holding. She has been worked in TCS company. TCS? Yes, you heard it right. Thank you so much, Vinayak sir. Guys, can you show a thumbs up button on your screen? Vinayak sir is our chief executive and marketing head. So just show one thumbs up for the response sir has given to us. Come on, guys, one thumbs up, one emoji on the chat box. I want everyone, come on, fast. Just this, thumbs up. Because I want to know that you're enjoying the session so that we can start with enthusiasm. Come on, fast. Yes. Good. Good. Acha, someone's writing thumbs up. Thumbs up, dude. Thank you. Next. 45. I want 30 responses now. Then only we will move, guys, because we don't have time to waste. Time is precious. Great success. Come on. Anuradha Singh ma'am is very excited because she's doing 3 times now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Sneha ma'am, thank you. Okay, can we have Anuradha ma'am on the mic, please? Anuradha ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much for the excitement, ma'am. I can hear that vibe. Like I can feel that vibe from you.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
most welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so guys, let's move on. Or still you have to. Oh. Thank you so much, Viren sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so guys, let's move with the greatest leader is not necessarily the one who leads. The greatest things, they are the ones that get the people to the right path. लीडर्स वो नहीं होते हैं जो आपको सिर्फ ऑर्डर देते हैं. लीडर्स वो होते हैं जो आपके ड्रीम्स को फुलफिल कराने में पूरी हेल्प करते हैं. सो लाइक होल्ड योर ब्रेथ एंड वी आर. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So hold your breath. Now we're starting the program. I'm just giving my mic to one and all today's speaker and role model, Mrs. Shikha ma'am. Shikha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, the voice is coming, ma'am. There's an echo actually. So, there's an echo in the voice.
Ma'am, can you please mute your mic so that I
all
can
the best,
see?
ma'am. All the best.
Okay, thank you very much. Still there is an echo. Just a minute. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, clearly audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you very much, Satakshi ma'am, for this warm welcome. And yes, I will be explaining you all on this workshop. Thank you very much, all the interns and all our chief guests and Satakshi ma'am for introducing me. So yes, let's begin with our workshop, which we are already waiting for. So anyone can tell me what is today's topic is all about? The finance workshop is completely about.
For e-gold investment, ma'am.
Yes, it is for e-gold investment. So according to y'all, like what is gold culture in India and how many types of gold are there in India? Did y'all know? Anyone? Any random answer? It's okay.
Ma'am, culture is that ma'am mostly Indians gold में investment करते हैं.
Yes, gold, of course. गोल्ड में आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो. गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट का एक पॉइंट है, एक टर्म है. बट गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कितने तरीके का गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट आप कर सकते हैं, कितने टाइप से गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट के, क्या आप लोग को पता है? एप्लीकेबल इन इंडिया? यस, क्या आप लोग को पता है?
Ma'am,
That is
like
my question.
digital gold and buying the
Yes,
actual gold.
actual gold. Yes, one physical gold. Then first one is physical gold. Then
Digital gold, which we
digital gold. Yes. Yeah, e-gold is equal to digital gold. Electronic gold is second. और कोई पता है? Any more answers? There's one more option in India. That is sovereign gold bond. That has been recognized by RBI. So without wasting our time, let me present my screen and let me start the presentation on sovereign on e-gold investment and the comparison between sovereign gold bond, electronic credit fund and physical gold. बहुत सारे लोग को पता नहीं है कि हमारे इंडिया में गोल्ड में भी 3 तरीके के इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर सकते हैं. ई गोल्ड में 2 तरीके के गोल्ड है, सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड है ETF है और फिजिकल गोल्ड है। 3 तरीके के गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है हमारी इंडिया में। या सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड एक टाइप का ये इन्वेस्टमेंट है जो आरबीआई रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है, आरबीआई रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ये सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड लेके आया है इन्वेस्टर्स की बेनिफिट के लिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेडेड फंड वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गोल्ड है जो नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ट्रेड करता है। एंड फिजिकल गोल्ड जो आप हमेशा खरीदते आए हैं, बहुत पुराना कल्चर है, जैसे कि इंडिया को बोला जाता है ना सोने की चिड़िया। सो ऑफ कोर्स यस, इट्स एन ओल्ड इंडियन ट्रेडिशन जो आज तक चला आ रहा है। सो दिस इज अ फिजिकल गोल्ड। सो लेट्स बिगिन। व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट, अब ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में जैसे कि आप लोग सभी जानते होंगे कि ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट या बहुत लोग को भी नहीं भी पता है कि ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्चुअली क्या है। जैसे आप लोग शेयर्स खरीदते हैं, कोई मुझे बता सकता है शेयर्स के लिए आप कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, किस बेसिस पे शेयर्स आप लोग कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं? एनी रैंडम आंसर?
Ma'am, it's basically on
आप
the
इसको
internet.
ब्रांड
To be an adult, you should have your own PAN card, account, Demat account. Once you
Yes.
fulfill all the requirements, you can just
Okay.
coming to the world.
Okay.
And
Yes, very good.
once you enter into it, so you can buy the shares in the amount which it's going on. You can sell it whenever you want.
Okay. So yes, as Viren said, right, that you can, of course, you can do it. You can trade. Actually, you can trade via Demat account. And बाकी जो है, you should have your PAN card and everything. That is your KYC. Of course, without KYC, you can't open the Demat account. And without that, you can't start investing, whether it is your shares, whether it's your mutual fund, or whether it's anything. ठीक है? सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल टू ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट। अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हो, फिजिकल गोल्ड नहीं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली आपको गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करना है, तो आप कैसे करोगे? सबसे पहली बात, आपके पास आपके पास एक डीमैट अकाउंट होना चाहिए फॉर स्पेशली फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेडेड फंड। ईटीएफ के लिए आपके पास एक डीमैट अकाउंट होना चाहिए। अगर आपके पास डीमैट अकाउंट नहीं है तो आप ईटीएफ फंड नहीं परचेज कर पाओगे। सो सबसे पहली बात, आपके पास डीमैट अकाउंट होना चाहिए। सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेडेड फंड एक ऐसा है जो स्टॉक मार्केट की तरह ही आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो, सबसे पहली बात। उसके बाद में जब आप चाहो आप परचेज कर सकते हो, आप उसे सेल भी कर सकते हो। आज का किसी को गोल्ड रेट पता है क्या है? अगर आज मुझे इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आज का गोल्ड रेट क्या है?
मैम 62 प्लस 1000।
मैम 41
41 is for 22 carat or 24 carat?
22 carat
Okay, and
10 gram.
yes, per gram. And okay, Jatin is telling 50. That is for 10 gram, but if you can say 5 in for per gram, right? But it is around 5,000. It's not exactly 41. And जो ETF में जो आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो, that is in 24 carat gold, a pure gold, a purity of 999. Even when you go for the local jewelers, आपको 24 carat भी 995 में मिलेगा, but in ETF you can get in 999 purity. So depending upon your rate, according to the 24 carat gold, not according to the 22 carat gold. So according to the 24 carat of gold rate, आपको आपके वो प्राइस में आपको डीमैट अकाउंट से आप परचेज कर सकते हो आपका गोल्ड ईटीएफ। ओके, सो सबसे पहला पॉइंट वही है, डीमैट अकाउंट के थ्रू जाता है। सेकंड पॉइंट इज अबाउट सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड। सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड एक्चुअली मेन पॉइंट उसका ये है कि कोई कमर्शियल बैंक के साथ अगर आप ये सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड का अकाउंट ओपन करा सकते हो, दैट इज ऑल्सो डीमैट अकाउंट, नो डाउट। कुछ बैंक्स है जो आरबीआई ने ऑथराइज की है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, फेडरल बैंक, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक। तो ये सारी कुछ बैंक है जहाँ पे अगर आपको सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड आपको खरीदना है तब वो बैंक्स में जा सकते हैं एंड उनको आप पूछ सकते हैं। उसकी डेट्स रहती है सब्सक्रिप्शन की, देयर आर सर्टेन डेट्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन वेयर द डेट्स आर ओपन फॉर द सब्सक्रिप्शन तभी आप वो उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते, तभी आप सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड खरीद सकते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? सेकंड पॉइंट सेज अबाउट दिस बेनिफिट. बिकॉज आप जब भी आप ई गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट करोगे या कोई भी गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट करोगे, आपको टैक्स देना ही पड़ेगा, जीएसटी भरना ही पड़ेगा. सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड ऐसा स्कीम है जहाँ पे आपको ना इंटरेस्ट मिलता है, वो भी एनुअली. एनुअली टोटल 2.5% मिलता है, एंड सेमी एनुअली उसे डिवाइड करके आपके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट किया जाता है 1.25%, 1.25%. सो एनुअली इज इक्वल टू 2.5% जो आपको टोटल इंटरेस्ट अर्न होता है थ्रू सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड. आगे हम देखते हैं कि सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड का जो लॉक इन पीरियड इज 5 years एंड मैच्योरिटी इज 8 years. ठीक है, अब इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है कि अगर आप आफ्टर 8 years व्हेन यू विथड्रॉ द मनी फ्रॉम सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड. यस सर, ऑडियो इशू, माय वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल इनफ.
No, ma'am, your voice is audible. We can hear it, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Guys, if you have any issues regarding voice, then please write in the chat box. Ma'am will get back to you for sure. Don't worry.
Yeah. So yes, the lock-in period is around 5 years and the maturity is 8 years. So अगर आपको SGB पे investment करना है, so if you wanted to invest in sovereign gold bond, of course, if you keep it for the period of 8 years, then you can get the complete refund plus interest. And if you only keep for the 5 years and then you withdraw your money from sovereign gold bond, then you have to pay tax on that for withdrawing the money within the before the maturity period. So sovereign gold bond is benefited for the long term investment. This is what my advice is, since it has a maturity of 8 years and you can get benefit out of it. Agar aap even if you want to take a physical gold, you have to pay certain taxes plus making charges for any of the physical gold. In this case, if you withdraw your money from gold, especially from sovereign gold bond, you can earn the interest and you can also pay off your all the making charges and GST charges through this interest what is earned from this. Then it comes to e-gold. That e-gold investment is not being traded like a physical gold, like your shares are traded, but that is being traded as your money, right, in cash. So in the same way, e-gold is not like when it is traded on Demat account, it is not like your physical gold is actually used trading. When you get in return, you won't get the physical gold in return. You will get the money back. It's up to you if you wanted to purchase a gold or anything else. So it's not like physical gold is being traded over there. Just your money is being traded in gold. That's it. And yes, this concept has come in the year 2010. Yes, Jatin, you want to speak something? You have any query?
Ma'am, if we redeem after 8 years, so we don't have to
Yes.
pay tax on that.
No, dear. You will get the interest. You don't have to pay any tax.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Jatin sir. Are you okay, Jatin sir? You are not well now yesterday.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay. Thank you. Fine. And finally, yes, it is e-gold processes buying electronically. This is what the last statement says. And one more thing I would like to add, like when you purchase a share, you have to purchase in the number of shares. When you purchase a mutual fund, you have to purchase in number of units. In terms of gold, when you purchase a gold, you have to purchase in terms of gram. It is in 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram. वो आपके ऊपर आप कितना पे कर सकते हो आज की रेट को देख के. अगर 5,000 आज का एक दिन का रेट है 1 ग्राम, अगर आप 10,000 या 15,000 का आपका बजट है तो आप उसके हिसाब से आप 2 ग्राम या 3 ग्राम परचेस कर सकते हो. So depending upon your budget, your capacity that you can pay or where you wanted to invest, and even you should consider the period. कितने पीरियड के लिए आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, आपको कब तक आपको पैसा आपका वापस चाहिए. Of course, that is also important. या क्या आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है मेन इन्वेस्टमेंट का, ये सारी चीजें आपको ध्यान में रख के आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जाना है. नेक्स्ट कम्स व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ e-gold, that is electronic gold. So सिंपल जो एडवांटेजेस है, क्या फायदे हो सकते हैं आपके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गोल्ड के. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहली बात, जो गोल्ड बॉन्ड है या ऑफकोर्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गोल्ड है, जो भी है, अब हम उसके बारे में जानते हैं कि वो सबसे अच्छा क्यों होता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट कैन नॉट बी स्टोलन और लॉस्ट। सब पहले तो हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा ये सुनते थे कि सोना अगर आपके पास घर पे है, आप बाहर चले गए घर के लॉक करके, पीछे से सोना चोरी हो गया। So if it is in a demat form, it's very simple. It cannot be stolen or lost. आपका सोना आपको कहीं खोएगा भी नहीं, आपको कहीं चोरी होने का टेंशन नहीं, किसी चीज का टेंशन भी नहीं रहता. Of course, it's a very simple concept for the gold or electronic gold. Second point, it was says no extra cost need to be paid, because when you purchase the gold, you have to pay the extra cost as other making charges. Yes. But here in case, especially in gold bond, you don't have to pay even the taxes, whereas in ETF, you have to pay the taxes. That is for sure. Then comes, there's no cheating, of course, because you're purchasing it electronically and in 24 carats of gold, not just in 22 carats. Like physical gold के जो ornaments है वो 22 carats में भी आते हैं. But in terms of electronic gold, of course, you can get in 24 carats. Okay, means purity के साथ आते हैं, and it can be liquidified anytime. Liquidified is what, like in terms of ETF, of course, you can anytime purchase, you can anytime sell that as per your requirement. ETF has got a certain maturity, certain time limit, but still, if you want to sell, you can sell it. Just you have to pay the tax. After 8 years, you are not liable to pay the tax. But अगर आप 8 years के पहले, 5 years के पहले भी अगर आप सेल करना चाहो, आप सेल कर सकते हो, बट आपको उसका टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा. टैक्स अमाउंट थोड़ा हायर हो सकता है in terms of sovereign gold bond and ETF, like depending upon the taxes applicable. And yes, it gives out return every 6 months. Like in sovereign gold bond, it gives return every 6 months of 1.25%, 2.5% annually, and 1.25% semi-annually. So 1.25 plus 1.25 equal to 2.5% annual return. So this is it. Rest is what I've covered. Next. Okay, so in what way you can invest in e-gold? Okay, so e-gold specially. Okay, first let us start with sovereign gold bond. उसके बाद में हम देखते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेड फंड में हम कैसे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so sovereign gold
Ma'am,
bond is what?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Payal.
I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, if we are investing in e-gold, it's like
yes.
investing in stocks only, right?
Sorry.
Like, like investing in e-gold is like investing in stock, right?
A kind of. Actually, it is not actual a physical gold, but yes, it is being traded in the demat account, and yes, it is like a gold bond. A bond is a gold bond, and in terms of ETF, electron traded fund, it is also like there are many mutual fund which provides this facility of gold fund. So they also trade in ETF itself. So this is a bond. There is one bond. There is one fund, that is mutual fund, where it has been traded. Okay, Pal?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So next move on, let us move on to sovereign gold bond. So yes, as I mentioned it before, that government used to give the scheme many a times. It opens the subscription many a times in a year, so that y'all can. It's actually last I think I've seen the March subscription when it was open, and maximum it remains open for 5 to 7 days, where you can either you can invest or you can withdraw. So it has a subscription particular dates where you can buy from the banks, or even some of the brokers also has a facility. But mostly it has been the facilities are being provided by the banks, and you can check through their website, or you can check directly to the sovereign gold bond when the subscriptions are being open, and you can invest it accordingly. And yes, what the next point says that yes, whenever you invest, it's like gold is a great investment when you made it wisely. So whenever you make an investment, like अगर मुझे भी किसी से उधार लेना है, मैं किसी एक के भरोसे नहीं रहूंगी. अगर उसने मुझे मेरा पैसा वापस नहीं किया, मैं अपना पूरा पैसा उसे एक के भरोसे नहीं रहूंगी, कहीं और पे इन्वेस्ट करके रखूंगी कि कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ तो मुझे मिले रिटर्न. There can be a loss, there can be a profit, but never put all your eggs in one basket. As simple as that. कभी भी आपको अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट या आपका पैसा सारा का सारा एक जगह नहीं रखना चाहिए, डिवाइड करना चाहिए, ताकि कल को आपको ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ने पे आपके पास कुछ तो हो. Yeah. Next is yes, as what I've already covered, what it gives you the best return, best interest after 8 years. All right. When now comes to ETF. Okay, means you can understand, like as in physical gold, you can buy the gold directly. Sorry. Then when it comes to gold ETF, yes, you can buy from the gold ETF directly, and then it can be traded for gold. Then one more option is, as Payal has asked, actually it is a share or something. It is, yes, there's also mutual fund schemes in gold funds. Because even yesterday the team has given the presentation. They say yes, there are many mutual fund gold funds. Yes, if you invest even over there, it gives the investment under ETF. It invest in the ETF, and then you can buy the gold. That is the thing. It buys the gold only, but yes, it trades in gold, but not actually a physical gold, but yes, in a paper form. It is complete a paper form. So, gold ETF electronic traded fund. First step is of course to open an demat account. And for demat account, आपके पास demat account होना चाहिए. And of course it's a commodity, और वो commodity ETF की सिर्फ नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ही ट्रेड करता है, बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज नहीं करता ट्रेड. सो आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके ब्रोकर के पास नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज की ट्रेड फैसिलिटी है, तो आप वाया नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, वाया योर ब्रोकर, यू कैन trade in gold ETF fund, gold electronic traded fund. Okay. Then of course for trading, you can open your account, then you can log in, you can buy ETF gold. Then yes, the timing for weekdays 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. on weekdays, and then your gold unit can be traded in T plus 2 days. Like if I purchase it today, so it will take from next day and to the next day of it. Like not about Saturday, Sunday won't count, but from Monday, if I trade, then till on Wednesday, you can see that it has been traded. You can get the reflection of your investment of ETF. Then of course there won't be any physical delivery, but when you withdraw, of course you can see that this is like okay, you can get in a demat form, in a digital form, that this is the investment that you have made in so much of gram. So as simple as that, कि आप अपना physical gold आपको दिखेगा नहीं कहीं भी, but आपको of course e-gold e-gold आपकी digital form में आपके साथ रहेगा. अब here is a simple comparison: physical gold ETF and sovereign gold bond. Okay, so let's see with this. Any doubts till here? किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है, कुछ पूछना है, कोई क्वेरीज? Okay, let me continue. Okay, there are certain parameters that I have set for all this comparison, starting with physical gold. So for investment limit, in terms of first parameter is investment limit. Physical gold में कोई investment limit ही नहीं होता है, क्योंकि हमारे देश में जब शादियां होती है, जिन्हें जितना फिजिकल गोल्ड, जितना सोना देना है, लेन देन करना है, जो भी करना है, या हमारी जितना बजट है, हम जितना लेन देन कर सकते उतना करते हैं. There is no limit depending upon your capacity, your budget. आप जितना चाहे उतना आप फिजिकल गोल्ड ले सकते हैं, परचेज कर सकते हैं या सेल कर सकते हैं. When it comes to gold ETF, मिनिमम आपको 1 ग्राम से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. फिजिकल गोल्ड में तो वो लेस देन 1 ग्राम भी हो ही जाता है, बट गोल्ड ETF में मिनिमम 1 ग्राम तो चाहिए. Then maximum there is no limit in terms of gold ETF. When it comes to sovereign gold bond, it is like you have to start minimum with 1 gram, maximum up to 4 kg for an individual like you and me. हमारे जैसे इंडिविजुअल लोग मैक्सिमम 4 kg गोल्ड ले सकते हो, भी काफी है. उतना भी लेने की लिमिट के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है. बट when it comes to the other trust and other government entities, they can purchase up to 20 kg. So for us, for an individual like us, we can, of course, the minimum criteria is 1 gram, but the maximum is 4 kg. And for the government and trust entities, for them, like the maximum limit is 20 kg. Okay. When it comes to safety security, second parameter, simple. For physical gold, it is high risky. आप घर के बाहर निकलो, अगर किसी ने चेन खींच ली, चेन मार ली, ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज हाई रिस्क ऑफ थेफ्ट, चोरी होने के चांसेस है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू गोल्ड ETF, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रेड फंड, ऑफ कोर्स इट इज मोर लाइक सेफर. आपको आपका जो भी अमाउंट आपके डीमैट फॉर्म में, वहां से कोई चोरी नहीं कर सकता, आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा आपका अमाउंट. Sovereign gold bond, again more safer or much more than even in ETF because it has been recognized by RPI. So yeah, that and it has also somewhere in a lock-in period, and you're also earning the interest. So of course, yeah, it is more safer when it comes to the safety and security. Then when it comes to total returns, like next parameters is total returns. Physical gold में क्या होता है, आपको रिटर्न थोड़ा लोअर मिलता है. द रीजन इज व्हेन यू परचेज द गोल्ड, फिजिकल गोल्ड जब आप परचेज करते हो, पर ग्राम पे मेकिंग चार्जेस लगता है. आप इतना ही नहीं, आप जब एक सिंगल गोल्ड कॉइन भी परचेज करो, आपको पर ग्राम पे उसका भी मेकिंग चार्जेस देना पड़ेगा. सो फिजिकल गोल्ड always had making charges involved in it. But when it comes to other than this gold ETF, there you can when you sell it, so there won't be much you can get yes, you have to pay the taxes. Other than that, there is no making charges involved. When you sell your physical gold, आपको making charges आपको रिटर्न नहीं मिलता, आपको सिर्फ गोल्ड प्राइस मिलता है. When you sell gold ETF, as the rate goes high, आपका गोल्ड का जो भाव था, अगर 4,000 में आपने परचेज किया, 5,000 में बेच रहे हो, आपको 1,000 का वो बेनिफिट मिलेगा. हाँ, टैक्सेस लगेगा, बट बेनिफिट मिलेगा. वहीं सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड में क्या होता है, अगर आप उसे बेच भी दो, तो वहां पे आपको टैक्स नहीं तो टैक्स लगेगा, आपको रेट भी, ऑफ कोर्स आफ्टर 8 इयर्स आप सेल करो तो काफी रेट भी बढ़ जाएगा, एंड उसके बाद में आपको इंटरेस्ट भी साथ में मिल जाएगा. So that is the higher return, the highest return which where you can get. And out of this three, I think sovereign gold bond is something a complete new concept for everyone. So I think किसी को भी कुछ idea नहीं है, तो it's good to get the knowledge of this. Yeah. Okay. Then comes to the long-term capital gains. And for long-term capital gains, as you can see, of course, it's applicable after 3 years. सबको 3 साल के बाद में आपको हमेशा आपका लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन पे करना ही पड़ता है. एंड फॉर सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड एक्चुअली कैपिटल गेन टैक्स तभी लगेगा अगर आप 3 मैच्योरिटी पीरियड के पहले आप उसे विथड्रॉ कर, अदरवाइज नहीं. आफ्टर 8 इयर्स वो नहीं लगेगा, 8 इयर्स के पहले लगेगा. देन यस, फॉर लोन, ऑफ कोर्स हमें अगर जैसे कि मुझे घर लेना है और मुझे घर लेने के लिए कुछ सिक्योरिटीज दिखानी पड़ेगी. मैं क्या सिक्योरिटी पेपर दिखाऊं, अगर मैं अपना अपना इनकम दिखाऊं, या अगर अदर हाउस प्रॉपर्टी दिखाऊं, या तो इसमें गोल्ड दिखा सकती हूँ कि मेरे पास इतना सोना है, वो गिरवी रख के मैं कुछ ले लूं, तो एज अ कोलेटरल. यस, सो फिजिकल गोल्ड कैन बी केप्ट एज अ कोलेटरल. गोल्ड ETF को हम एज अ कोलेटरल यूज नहीं कर सकते. गोल्ड ETF एप्लीकेबल नहीं है, जो NSE में ट्रेड होता है वो एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. वेयर सोवरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड इज एप्लीकेबल. यस, आप उसे एज अ कोलेटरल फॉर लोन आप उसे यूज कर सकते हो. Then comes to the tradability or liquidity. अब जब ट्रेडेबिलिटी एंड लिक्विडिटी की बात करें, फिजिकल गोल्ड इज कंडीशनल. कंडीशनल इसलिए आ जाता है बिकॉज व्हेन यू ट्रेड, व्हेन यू परचेज, आपको सारी चीजें लगा के मिलेगी, मेकिंग चार्जेस, टैक्सेस, एवरीथिंग. व्हेन यू सेल, तो वो कंडीशनल हो गया, क्योंकि प्योरिटी का कोई श्योरिटी नहीं रहता है. सिंपल. 22 कैरेट बोल के कई बार 18 कैरेट में भी आ जाता है. तो व्हेन दे तो जब आप सेल करने जाओ, वो टाइम पे हम लोग चेक करते हैं कि भाई ये गोल्ड कितना सेफ है, मतलब कितना प्योर है, सॉरी नॉट सेफ बट वो कितना प्योर है. और उसकी प्योरिटी पे अगर डाउट आ गया तो आपको पैसा वापस नहीं मिलता है. सो इट इज समवेयर अ कंडीशनल. अब कभी आप उसे सेल आउट कर सकते हो, मे बी आप उसे सेल नहीं कर सकते हो. दैट इज द थिंग. Now, when it comes to the gold ETF, of course, it is tradable on exchange. You can anytime purchase or sell. And for sovereign gold bond, after fifth year onwards, yes, you can sell your uh, sovereign gold bonds. Yeah. So, of course, when it comes to the lock-in period, physical gold, आप कभी भी purchase करो, कभी भी sell करो. Same for gold ETF. There is no such lock-in period. Sovereign gold bond, there is a 5 years of lock-in period. Yeah, maturity is 8 and a lock-in period of 5 years. And when it comes to the purity of gold, of course, physical gold is a big concern. Gold ETF, of course, it is high for both ETF and SGP, since they gives you a complete 24 karat gold with 999 of purity. So that is the purity of gold. When it comes to storage cost, yeah, जब आप physical gold लेते हो, बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन रहता है चोरी नहीं हो जाए. Then you have to pay. Then you have to keep your gold in the lockers. अगर आप बैंक लॉकर्स में रखोगे तो ऑफ कोर्स आपको लॉकर का कॉस्ट लगेगा. So in that case, it is a big concern again for the storage cost. When it comes to the gold ETF or sovereign gold bond, it is like, of course, in gold ETF, it is already there with your demat account, no storage cost, cost. For again, for sovereign gold bond, again, it is already there in the books of RBI. It is issued by RBI, the books in the books of Central Bank of India. So there is no other storage cost. So this was the difference between all the three bonds. So what do you think? Which could be the much better option? Anyone can answer, like which could be the much better option by looking this difference. Yes, Shweta?
What bond is much better?
Gold bond is much better, but yes, at the same time, the lock-in period and maturity date is also high. Everywhere there is an advantage and disadvantage.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I feel like that as if until now we have went with a physical, like it is a traditional way to buy a gold. So I think it was always best. But as a for a new, you can say taking a new type of investment, doing a new type of investment, I think sovereign bond, gold bond will be better.
Yes, very good. Thank you very much, Shweta, and thank you very much, Viren, for your opinions. I like your opinions. And yes, you all can think wisely that yes, sovereign gold bond, if you think it's best, then it could be. So let's see what is next. SGP as a collateral for loan. As I already mentioned, that sovereign gold bond can be used as a collateral for loan. अगर हम बोलते हैं कि हम हमारा physical gold, हमारा सोना रख के, but there are many what we say in India, there are many emotional sentiments are attached with the physical gold. They don't want to keep in your money, your physical gold with for the collateral. So this is also an alternate option, that if you wanted to keep your gold, you can keep as an SGB, which is also a kind of a TMAT paper, electronic bond, as in for the collateral. Okay, so what happens is actually RBI issues this SGB, and it has been it has given the authority to some of the commercial banks and many other institutes. What you can do, you can invest in SGB, sovereign gold bond, and then you can, wherever you want to get the home loan. For example, if I want to get a home loan, whatever loan is, just for an example, is a home loan. अगर मुझे home loan लेना है, what I will do it, I can go with either of the bank, either of the non-banking financial institute, or any other way where I can get the loan. I can show my SGB bond, and according to the loan to value ratio, that is like according to the price of my loan, and according to the security, they can provide me some. So first of all, I need to make sure like which how much is the, depending upon loan is all about depending upon the cost of whatever you have wanted to have a loan. Like depending upon like home loan, what is the cost of my flat, then what is the cost of my sovereign gold bond, then depending upon the loan how much I want, then only you can get the loan, an approved loan. But SGP is one of the option other than a physical gold when you can get the sovereign sorry, where you can get the sovereign gold, where you can get the loan. Next is investing in gold. Yes, when you invest in gold, especially when you invest in physical gold, of course it's in traditional culture, but if you see what can be the problems that can arise due to this, first of all, it is also a good investment. According to the analysis of 5 years, you have got somewhere 11 to 12% of return. Last year it was too much of high boom in the gold market, but yes, but the certain problems that are being incurred with physical gold, क्या क्या problems आप face कर सकते हो physical gold के साथ, जैसे कि आता है high making charges. Of course जब आप physical gold लेते हैं, पर ग्राम के बेसिस पे आपको चार्जेस लगता है. So yes, like you can see in the image that particular jewelry is would be very expensive, since it has the charges it has included is the making charges, the GST charges, then the complete total charges of gold, then there is a complete rate of physical gold what you will get. So of course there is too much of problem. High making charges एक तो अगर आप जितना कस्टमाइज बनवाओगे आपके फिजिकल गोल्ड को, उसमें और ज्यादा मेकिंग चार्जेस लग जाते हैं, तो मेकिंग चार्जेस काफी ज्यादा होते हैं. और सेफ्टी का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा था. येस, प्रॉब्लम विद सेफ्टी. अगेन आपको अगेन या लॉकर में आपको रखना हो या कहीं भी रखना हो, लाइक प्रॉब्लम इज विद सेफ्टी with, and you don't know what is the purity of the gold. If I see local jewelers, they sometimes give the 18 karat of gold, 22 karat of gold. Yes, 22 karat is also okay, but still the purity is big concern. And even when you take the gold coins, जिसे बोलते हैं कि it's a 24 karat of gold coins, okay, and that is also physical gold, but still problem कहाँ आती है? 22 कैरेट सॉरी 24 कैरेट का होता है, उसमें भी टैग होता है 995 का कि it is complete pure, whereas complete pure is 999. You can get in Tanishq gives you the 999 of pure gold coin, but बाकी local jewelers में आपको 995 का मिलेगा. So again, a purity, there's always been a doubt with purity, and it could be other ancillary charges, other making charges according to the customized physical gold जो आप लेते हो. Then yes, there is no income till you sell it, right? जब तक आप उसे sell नहीं करो, आपको उसका और कोई income उससे नहीं मिलेगी. Income जो आपको ETF से या SGP से मिल सकता है. Correct? This is about some problems with physical gold. Any more that y'all think there's certain problems with physical gold and y'all can add something over here? Something that could be added as a physical gold problems from someone, or any advantage y'all see? Yes, y'all can also add some advantages or some disadvantages. No one? Okay. Let me move on to next. Now comes to gold ETF. Gold ETF is gold exchange traded fund. Yes. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this particular gold? First of all, pricing is very transparent. It is based on the actual market price. जो आपका actual market price चल रहा है, आप देखोगे gold day to day price charge है, वही है आज का, वही प्राइस पे आप उसे परचेज कर सकते हो, सेल कर सकते हो. Then of course gold ETF is more liquid than SGP, no doubt. When you can purchase it anytime, you can sell it anytime, so you can use it as short term, medium term, long term, whatever desired by you. So it's up to you. So it's good if you wanted to invest in a short term, you can go for ETF, no doubt. आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से आप देखो कि आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट कब तक की है. अगर मुझे लॉन्ग टर्म चाहिए, मैं लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से एसजीपी में जाऊंगी. अगर मुझे शॉर्ट टर्म चाहिए, मैं एटीएफ में जाऊंगी. अगर मुझे फिजिकल गोल्ड चाहिए तो ऑफकोर्स मैं एटीएफ से भी विड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ एंड आई कैन गेट द फिजिकल गोल्ड. और आई कैन, इफ आई वांट अ फिजिकल गोल्ड आफ्टर 8 to 10 years, I can invest in SGP, I can get it with the interest, and I can get the physical gold, or I can invest in it somewhere else, depending upon like where I'm getting the benefit. Simple. And yes, gold ETF is also known to be a open-ended mutual fund. Yes, open-ended इसलिए कि उसे आप कभी भी आप परचेज कर सकते हो, सेल कर सकते हो. So of course yes, और म्यूचुअल फंड भी गोल्ड ETF में ट्रेड करता है, and you can get a complete 24 carat of gold. What we say, 24 carat of purity of gold, and you have to purchase in 24 carat of gold price. 22 carat में आप purchase नहीं कर सकते. 22 carat is for the physical gold, for the physical gold ornaments and jewelry, and for 24 carat is for ETF and SGP. आपको ई गोल्ड में 24 कैरेट के प्राइस के बेसिस पे ही इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. Now comes to the cons, that is the disadvantages. Disadvantages is capital gain जो आपको लगता है वहां पे taxable is up to 20.6%. So tax इसमें थोड़ा ज्यादा applicable है, especially for for short term. It is like it is applicable based on the tax slab rate of the investor. इन्वेस्टर का टैक्स का स्लैब रेट क्या है, जो आप आईटीआर फाइल करते हो उसका इन्वेस्टमेंट का टैक्स स्लैब रेट की बेसिस पे आपको कैपिटल गेन टैक्स मिलता है. अदरवाइज सॉरी लगता है आपको टैक्स, अदरवाइज इट इज अराउंड 20.6% approximately. Okay, so I'm coming to my conclusion. What I feel according to the comparison of this complete gold investment is, see, gold bond is one of the alternate option, of course, owning to the physical gold. आप physical gold purchase कर सकते हो. आपको नहीं करना physical purchase, it's okay. You can go to the e-gold investment, ETF or gold bond. Yes. But in case you are interested to buy physical gold at the end of the 10 year or at the end of 8 years or 10 years, then yes, gold bond is an option. And yes, one more option is if you miss the date mentioned by the RBI, you can buy this bond on exchange also. Like for example, I wanted to purchase a gold bond. उसका सब्सक्रिप्शन मार्च में मेरे से मिस हो गया था. I can get the November series also through one of the broker. Yes. So sometimes there is also facility you can purchase in that old rate through the broker. But sometimes some banks does not allow. Sometimes it has been allowed. So you have to check for that. And yes, at last, it like be vigilant and do a thorough research of your own investment profile before making any investment. Simple. You have to see what is the period of investment. If you want to make an investment for a short term, for the long term, like आपको कब तक आपको आपका पैसा चाहिए, शॉर्ट टर्म चाहिए, लॉन्ग टर्म चाहिए, या कितने दिन में चाहिए, वो आपको डिसाइड करना है. कितने इयर्स में, कितने मंथ्स में, कितने डेज में. और आपको गोल्ड चाहिए या कहीं और इन्वेस्ट करना, या गोल्ड से आपको थोड़ा अर्न करके फिर आपको शिफ्ट करना. सो इट डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर चॉइस, your ways of investment. So make a choice wisely. And make your thorough research and make a nice portfolio and diversify your risk. This is my advice to you. So thank you everyone. And any questions? Others over to Vinayak sir.
Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving a precious and good deal of knowledge about gold and what's all about the gold economy and the gold marketing. Thank you so much, ma'am. So good evening all, and good evening all the participants for giving their precious time for this session. Am I audible to all of you guys? I want
Yes,
to put a
sir.
strong question.
Yes, sir.
Is it? Okay, guys. On a very briefer note, guys, welcome to all of you. Due to some camera issue, I may not be able to come on cam. But guys, what I will be doing, I will take a couple of minutes and I will show you what Shikha ma'am gave the vibrant knowledge, the in-depth knowledge of how to make money. सिर्फ गोल्ड खरीदना नहीं है, गोल्ड पैसा बनाता है. And to prove this point, let me show you the testimony of last, you can say almost 100 years. Shikha ma'am, a big thanks to you goes to you for getting this idea covered. I think gold
Thank you,
क्या
sir.
है? एक गहना, एक ज्वेलरी? No, it's something पैसे को बनाने की मशीन है. Let me just share my screen with you and prove you the point with a very small screenshot I've got here. Guys, can you see my screen clearly? Is it clearly visible to all of you
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes.
Is it? So any one of you, can you please read me out what is the gold price in 1925 per 10 grams?
It's little
can-
bit blur.
Can you just zoom it out there on your screen? Or let me just zoom it out. If you can just see this. In 1925, what's the gold price?
52 rupees.
18.75.
18.75, 18 रुपए का 10 ग्राम था. गाइज, हमारे दादा के दादा 1925 में जब होंगे, 10 ग्राम गोल्ड, it was 18.75. And if I just take you towards the last year, because ये data 2019 तक का है, guys, how much it is? 2019, how much? 40,000. Okay, guys, if you can just take a screenshot of this chart, आपकी सोच वहीं पे क्लियर हो जाएगी. 18 रुपीज से गोल्ड चालू होता है 1925. In 2000, it is 4,000. 4,000 रुपए था आज से 20 साल पहले. 20 साल बाद ये 40,000 का हो गया. Guys, can you calculate 4,000 to 40,000? How much times? 4,000 to 40,000 कितना गुना हुआ?
10
10 times, sir.
10 times, यानी 10 साल में हमारी गोल्ड की वैल्यू 10 गुना हो गई. सॉरी, 20 साल लगे, 2000 से लेके 2020 तक, it becomes 10 times. Guys, this is the power of gold making. Okay, if I just use a calculator, to show you the value changes. It was 40,000. If you can see my screen is visible to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
If you can see the value, it's 2133, 2133 times. यानी आपका पैसा 2000 गुना हो गया. Guys, ये सुनने में जितना इंप्रेसिव है, असली एक्साइटमेंट उस इंसान को आएगी जिसने गोल्ड लिया होगा पुराने से पुराने टाइम में. आई थिंक इंडियन कल्चर में गोल्ड इज लाइक गॉड. उसमें से एल हटा दो, इट विल बी लाइक GOD. वी नेवर सेल gold. We keep the gold as our property, as our auspicious. शगुन है गोल्ड हमारे लिए. बट इस शगुन के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी कहानी है, मनी मेकिंग की. तो गाइज, इस सेशन का मेन इंटेंशन क्या था? टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ गोल्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट. सिर्फ गोल्ड ज्वेलरी तक सीमित नहीं है. नाउ लेट मी नो गाइज, टेल मी, एनी वन ऑफ यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट यू आर प्लानिंग टू मेक इन गोल्ड नाउ. एनी वन ऑफ यू. सिर्फ गोल्ड के बारे में पढ़ाई थोड़ी करनी है. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टोरी. सो कैन यू टेल मी, एनी वन ऑफ यू टेल मी, आप कितना इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं गोल्ड में मिनिमम आज की तारीख में? डोंट हेजिटेट गाइस, इट्स
Sir,
वैल्यूएबल.
50,000 to 1 lakh minimum.
इजीली. और अगर मैं आपको कहता हूं कि आप 5 रुपए का गोल्ड खरीदिए, व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? यस या नो?
No, sir.
5 रुपए का गोल्ड खरीदना चाहेंगे? एनी आइडिया अबाउट इट?
तो 5 रुपए देखने के लग जाएंगे.
और आपको पता है, हम जिस गोल्ड की बात कर रहे हैं, ये वो गोल्ड नहीं है जो मार्केट में आपको मिलेगा. हम बात कर रहे हैं प्योर 24 कैरेट गोल्ड की, जो मार्केट में आपको नहीं मिलेगा. दिस इज गाइज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था. एक ऐसा देश जहां पे गोल्ड भगवान है, और यहाँ पे गोल्ड हजारों में नहीं, 1 रुपए, 2 रुपए और 3 रुपए में भी खरीदा जा सकता है. इस मीटिंग का मेन फोकस यही था गाइज, आप लोगों को ये बताना कि गोल्ड परचेज करने की शुरुआत कहां से, कैसे और किन पोर्टल्स पे जाके हम कर सकते हैं। लेट मी शो यू एन एग्जांपल गाइस, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल। क्यों मैंने 5 रुपए की आपको बात कही गाइस? 5 रुपए मैटर नहीं करते हैं। आप लोगों में से कितनों के पास, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट पेटीएम? आई वांट सम यस या नो आंसर। स्पीक अप
I
and write in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it? I want some yes or no in the chat box. Quickly, guys. 1 or only 1, 2, 3. Okay, Shweta didn't got. Okay, I think everybody got the Paytm. You know what, guys? Let me just share my screen with you, and I'm gonna tell the secret. कैसे Paytm पे आपका 5 रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट आपके रुपए को बढ़ा सकता है। गाइज, आई एम द रियल पर्सन जो 5-5 रुपए इन्वेस्ट करता है गोल्ड में विदाउट एनी रीजन। कोई रीजन नहीं है, जाओ 5 रुपए का गोल्ड खरीद लो, दैट्स इट। एंड हु नोज वैल्यू कैसे बढ़ेगी। गाइज, टुडे इज 50,000 एंड यू नो व्हाट, 2 चीजें हमेशा बढ़ेगी, आपकी उम्र, भारत की महंगाई और भारत का सोना। इन 3 चीजों को आप बढ़ने से नहीं रोक सकते। यस या नो, क्या बोलेंगे आप? यस या नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
much.
इज इट लाइक महंगाई, हमारी उम्र और गोल्ड का प्राइस कभी नहीं कम होगा। लेट मी जस्ट स्विच माय फोन। ओके गाइस, मेरी स्क्रीन विजिबल है आपको क्लियरली?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
for your very quick knowledge, I have taken a few screenshot of Paytm. If you can just rotate your phone, it will be more easy. Guys, you can just check the first image. On the very Paytm home page, you can see this logo, GOLD, gold. And you know what? When you open the gold page, you will see a screen like this. Is my screen visible to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
And guys,
Yes.
be very serious. See, I'm not talking आपकी knowledge के लिए बात नहीं हो रही. We are talking about investment and real time money making. You see the option, buy in amount and buy in grams. Grams में खरीदो या amount में खरीदो. See, Indians पैसे के मामले में बहुत सोचते हैं. मैं ऐसा ही जैसे जैसे आपने कहा था मैं 50,000 लगा दूंगा. I think 50,000 लगाने के पहले I will think 50,000 times. But 5 रुपए के लिए मैं नहीं सोचूंगा. What I will do, I will enter 5 rupees and ऑटोमेटिकली 5 रुपए में हो सकता है ग्राम तो नहीं आएगा, मिलीग्राम आएगा. अमाउंट विल बी एडेड टू माय पेटीएम लॉकर. गाइस, दिस इज द पॉलिसी बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड. Even Paytm is giving this facility, Google is giving this facility, PhonePe is also giving this facility. To all the students who are in this meeting, guys, gold investment is not ho gaya to ho gaya. It's a part of your life. Start investment today with 5 rupees. Who knows, 5 का 500 भी हो सकता है, 5,000 भी हो सकता है और 50,000 भी हो सकता है. Now guys, having all this meeting done ना, simple focus क्या है? पैसा कमा तो लिया, इन्वेस्ट कहाँ करें? चलो गोल्ड में करते हैं. कैसे करें? ऑनलाइन करेंगे. कितना करेंगे? 5 रुपए से करेंगे. This is the basic focus. If you see the question, why invest in gold? Why you invest in gold? For money multiplication. पैसा बचाना नहीं है, सेविंग नहीं करनी है. We need to multiply the money. Today is 50,000. Definitely guys, next year it will be somewhere like 60,000. 50,000 to 60,000 days. It is expected in the international global market. It will be 20% increasing by next 1 year. So guys, why waiting for? Let's start your investment today on. So इस पूरे सेशन के बाद, if you feel the motivation कि यार 5 रुपए का गोल्ड तो खरीदा जा सकता है, guys, just do it. Just do it so that ये सेशन, ये 1 घंटे का समय should be fruitful for you. And simply guys, we belong to Money Barters. This is the financial team, Money Barters. We motivate the people. असली खुशी पैसे में होती है और पैसा कमाने से नहीं, पैसा मल्टीप्लाई करने से आता है. Guys, do you agree with this idea? Yes या no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
one simple query from my side. If you have the idea कि मुझे इन्वेस्ट करना है, don't just wait. इस सेशन का बेसिक फोकस था गोल्ड की शुरुआत.
Sir, already invest 5 rupees.
Perfect, Saurabh. That's a real motivation. That's a real motivation. And you know what, guys? 5 rupees matter नहीं करेंगी. आपकी सोच matter करेगी. The rupees doesn't matter. We Indians talk in rupees, but the world talks in dollar. You know what is the dollar ratio? कितना है डॉलर का रेशो अभी? How much?
Sir,
Sir,
75
rupees.
Sir, 75 rupees, sir, per India tax.
Perfect. See, अगर मैं आपको कहता हूँ कि मैं आपका पैसा 1 दिन में डबल कर सकता हूँ, फिजिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट अगर आप उस पैसे को लेके जापान चले जाएंगे, डेफिनेटली पॉसिबल है. आपका 1 रुपया जापान जाकर 2 येन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. तो लोग जब कहते हैं ना कि पैसा डबल कर सकता हूं, तो सिर्फ इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में पैसा डबल हो सकता है. यू नो व्हाट, देयर इज अ कंट्री वियतनाम, 300 गुना हो जाता है 300 टाइम्स। तो अगर आप इंडिया से 1000 रुपए लेके जाओगे, इन वियतनाम इट विल बी 3 लाख। 1000 का 3 लाख हो जाएगा। गाइज, दिस वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ मनी। थिंक लाइक अ मनी माइंडर, थिंक लाइक मनी बार्टर्स। अल्टीमेटली खुशियां पैसों से आती हैं। टू ऑल दोस पीपल हु आर इन दिस मीटिंग, वी इनवाइट यू पीपल, इफ यू want such investment opportunities and more, हम सिर्फ यहाँ नॉलेज बांटने नहीं आए guys, we are all about business. If you are more positive for gold investment, definitely money barters will help you. छोटे इन्वेस्टमेंट की शुरुआत छोटे कदमों के साथ। अल्टीमेटली सपने बड़े हैं, शुरुआत छोटे कदमों से होनी चाहिए। So on a very positive note for investment, guys, let's begin। एक नई शुरुआत करते हैं। In future, if you need any such help from money barters for investment, we have the number. Feel free to call us. I'm just assigning the number here. And as Saurabh said, 5 रुपए की शुरुआत तो सौरभ ने आज ही की है। So guys, we just create happiness पैसे के साथ। That's the number is there. If you need further query, if you need help, definitely money barters will support you. सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ नहीं, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू हर हफ्ते कितना बढ़ रही है, कितना ज्यादा बढ़ेगी और कहां पे जाएगी आने वाले टाइम में। Our team will support you, investment making, money making, and helping you for more investment opportunities. So guys, that's all for today's session. I hope ये session आपकी gold knowledge के लिए fruitful रहा होगा। Ultimately, I'm saying one thing, guys. Okay, let me add one more point. WHO, World Health Organization ने कहा था 2025 में हमारी एज, जो वर्किंग एज है, वो 40 साल की रह जाएगी। दैट मीन्स अगर आपके पेरेंट्स 60 साल तक कमाते हैं रिटायरमेंट तक, आप लोग सिर्फ 40 साल तक कमाओगे। So guys, I can see in this session we have all the people of 20s, 21, 22, 28, even I am 28. So हम सभी लोग 40 साल तक कमा सकते हैं। उसके बाद obviously guys, लाइफ को एंजॉय करना है हमें। इस लाइफ का रियल मजा एंजॉयमेंट में है। एंड आई थिंक कोई मना नहीं करेगा, मनी इज इक्वल टू लाइफ इज इक्वल टू एंजॉयमेंट। अगर आप लोग साधु संत हैं तो अलग बात है कि नहीं, पैसे में कुछ नहीं रखा है, अल्टीमेटली गाइस पैसे में सब कुछ रखा है। So welcome to Money Barters once again, guys. And if you need any such investment queries, investment opportunity, we welcome you people. बस भूलिएगा मत, this is all about money opportunities with Money Barters. Thank you so much, guys. And I will be really happy if you have some queries or want to ask something. And Satakshi ma'am, over to you, ma'am. We shall move towards the conclusion.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Well, today, like I'm not from finance background, but still I learned a lot from here. I hope what I have learned, you have also learned the same. Invest small and get big things tomorrow. So yeah, that's all for today. And guys, tomorrow you will have your quiz of fest. That means not a fest type, but yeah, it's a quiz competition from time 5 to 7 p.m. So whatever you have learned today, it will be applicable tomorrow. So do prepare yourself. All the best, everyone. Thank you so much, Vinayak sir, and yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us so much good, Yeah, Saurabh, so you want to say something?
No, ma'am. It's all done. Okay. Ultimately, I suppose all the people are quite satisfied with the idea. Yes, yeah, no, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ready for the investment in the future? And see, as Satakshi ma'am said, she creates enthusiasm. I want some yes answers in the chat box. Quickly.
Guys, seriously, I want that everyone
yes
says that with the Josh. Say yes, yes, sir, we got it. Come on, speak. Don't just write. Speak on the mic. You have the option. You can be a Narendra Modi of today's session.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This session is really helpful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vinayak sir. Thank you so much, Shikha.
Yes, sir.
And definitely, guys, our team will be in touch with you in the coming days. You will be getting a feedback call from our side, and we will be really happy to have you people connected with us in the future. Ultimately, लोग कहते हैं future नहीं देखा है, but we say future देखा है और future बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है अगर आज हम तैयार हैं. Definitely, we are ready, cause we are money barters, creating wealthy happiness for all of us.
Yes, sir.
So, Satakshi ma'am, I think it's almost getting 7:15 now, so we shall be moving towards the adjournment. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, so guys, if you have any queries, as Vinayak sir told, you can contact feedback to us. We will revert back to you for a feedback call. And don't miss that hunger of money, get out of from your thoughts, from your ideas, from everything. Just whatever you want, we will always support you. Bring the best of your ideas, guys. If you have any ideas related to anything, you can share. Feel free to share with us. We will give you a platform to prove yourself, your skills in it. That's why we are around for. Now we are wind up this meeting, guys. You can say a goodbye, send a sayonara to us, and you can leave. Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Ma'am, tomorrow, ma'am, what type of questions come and how much time?
Okay, Rajat sir. Rajat sir in the meeting. Okay, so for tomorrow we will update you on the group in the in the
Let me add
yeah,
a word here. Saurabh,
yeah.
this will be an online quiz competition. Saurabh, this will be an online quiz competition where you will be having some question based on finance, investment. And you know what, Saurabh? These questions are real-time question. पढ़ाई से ज्यादा रियल टाइम एक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है लाइफ का वो इन क्वेश्चन में आप देखेंगे.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
it will be possible not to. I just said one thing. It's an opportunity to learn. सीखने का मौका है. But सीखना क्यों है? To make the money. एजुकेशन और मनी को मिलाकर एक शुरुआत की जाएगी कल के फेस्ट में. So Saurabh, wish you all the best. Really, it's a
Thank
great
you.
opportunity to have people like you.
Sir, Saurabh
Thank
have
you.
opened the camera just to show the gesture he is having for tomorrow's test, sir.
Truly, ma'am. We shall be enthusiastic enough for tomorrow. Okay, ma'am.
Nice, sir.
Thanks for that.
Stay positive, sir. All of you can leave the meeting now, guys. It's like it's 7:15. It's like very much late. You can have your work now, your college work or whatever work you have. Your half-can food. Very informative session. Thank you. Thank you so much, Soumya ma'am. Guys, you can leave now.
Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. And thank you so much, Money Barters, for getting this session lined up. A big respect goes to Shikha ma'am, Kaushik sir, and Team Money Barters. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful time. Thank you, Satakshi ma'am,
Same
and
for
all
you,
the
ma'am. Same for
participants.
you. It's a mutual pleasure for all of us. True. Thank you so much, Shikha ma'am. And take care, all of you guys. Have a good night and take care of your health and happiness and your family. Thank you so much.
Guys, come on. You can leave now. No issues. There's no meeting now. Everything is winding up. So we'll see back to you tomorrow with same energy and enthusiasm and that same Josh. Don't just fade away. I just hope that